guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's do what's in my bag, and maybe I should say what's in my summer beach bag. I recently went to the beach and we're planning another trip soon, and so this is exactly everything I carried in my bag. So I'm going to share it with you guys in today's video. First, let me start off by showing you how beautiful this bag is. This is perfect for summer trips, summer vacations, and even like a nice little stroll or walk at the beach. This is a must-have. It matches with so many cute summer outfits. You can fit so many things in here. It's just aesthetically pleasing. This is one of my favorite to-go summer bags for sure. So I recently was at the beach and I'm going to show you guys everything that I took with me. These are all necessities, everything a girl needs in her bag, especially if you're by the pool or at the beach. Let me go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so first off, I've been obsessed with these hair clips. These are so pretty. Like, look how gorgeous these are. They come in different colors. They're all over TikTok. I purchased mine from Amazon just because TikTok takes so long to deliver. I was like in desperate need and I wanted them now. So with my Prime, they got here right the next day, and I ordered the multicolor. This one here and the white one is my favorite one, but these are so cute. I love to just clip it on the side of my handbags, and it just gives it like a summer vibe, like absolutely instant summer with that cute little clip there. Not only does it hold my hair in place when I need it to, especially because my hair is so long, it gives me that nice little stylish summer look, and it just brings all the vibes. So these clips are in every single handbag right now. They're all over in my car. I'm just obsessed. I'll be linking them down in the description box in case you guys want to grab a few for y'all. Summer's not over yet. It's not too late, so order yours today. But yeah, this is a must-have. I keep them in my bag. But another important thing that I always keep and carry with me when I'm going to the pool or the beach is my sun visor. I always want to 100% keep my face protected from the sun. So with that being said, this is my to-go visor. The color is absolutely beautiful, and it has a nice little black stripe here. It has an adjustable strap, and then it's wide enough to give you that perfect coverage for your face. So also what I like about the visor is that you can keep your hair up, you know, if you have it up done, if you have a bun, if you have a ponytail, or even if you keep it down and just put the visor over your hair. It looks stylish, it looks super cute, it's clean looking, and just the texture and the color of it is perfect. Like, it gives you beachy summer vibes. So this is my to-go, and this one is from Amazon as well. I'll be linking this as well. I do have another aloe one, but I feel like that one is more of a sporty look. This one really gives you like summer beachy vibes. So I prefer something like this versus a sporty aloe one like black or white. But also really depends on your outfits and swimsuit. But this is my to-go and one of my favorite ones. Another thing, well, not another thing, I keep hundreds of things in here. I'm about to go through every single one. So I like to keep a hard case, especially with a large bag like this. I don't want to damage or break my sunglasses. So this is a nice hard case. It's a Burberry case, and it's where I keep my sunglasses. You need a really good pair of sunglasses, especially for those bright sun rays. So these are my to-go, especially, like I said, it really depends on the swimsuit. I'm all like color coordinated, but this is what I was wearing because I had a brown swimsuit. So I got these nice little tan shades. These are also from Amazon, so I'll link them for you. I'll link the case if I can find it. It's from a Burberry website, but I got it like years ago. I also like to keep my sunscreen, or I should say bronzer. I've been using this for the past few times that I've been out tanning, and I got this from Target, and it smells amazing. I love it. This little Sun Bum is my to-go right now, but if you guys know of a better one, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm up and open to trying new things. I was at Target, so I just quickly grabbed this one, and I can't brag about it. I like it. It gives me like a nice little tan shade. It's not too dark, very minimal, not as dark as I wanted it to, so I might go up the number or just try something else next time, but I'm almost done with it. But yeah, I got this one and I'm liking it so far. Not bad. I also do like to keep my credit card, extra change, and my little Chanel zipper bag. Keeps everything in place, and I just kind of just toss it in there, and it's easy to find because it's just kind of a little bit larger. And so this is like another item that I do keep just loosely in the tote. So I do have some gum. I always love to smell fresh, keep everything fresh going. Not that my breath stinks, but I just love to be fresh and have a nice fresh scent. So I got this. And then I do have this cute little floral baggie that I like to carry in my beach bag. This is my favorite absolute summer to-go bag. It just gives you the summer vibes. The color, the flowers, it's super cute for spring and summer. So it is small, but it keeps everything I need in one place versus having to dig through the whole entire bag. I like to keep everything here. So I do have some hand sanitizer. This has been my current obsession with hand sanitizers. I think I have like over maybe 8 different scents. This one here is a good one. It's the peachy. So these are really cute, and I love how they sell the cute little silicone cases, but they tend to get dirty, especially if you keep them like in larger bags. I had a nice pink one, but then it started getting like a dark shade tint around it, so I just went ahead and took it off. But a hand sanitizer is a must. And then I do love to keep my face fully loaded with sunscreen, and this is my to-go. I purchased this one from Costco. It comes in a 2-pack, like a double pack. And it does leave you a little bit, I guess, like oily looking like, but it has good coverage, and I like to apply it every few hours or so. But I've always liked to keep my neck and face fully loaded with sunscreen. Everything else can like soak up in the sun and tan, but my face and neck, this is what I've been using lately. So I do feel like it's a little bit shiny, and it gives you that oily look or feel. But if you guys have any other recommendations, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to try something else. I love to smell fresh and clean, so I have this favorite scent. I got this from Amazon. This one and the yellow one, this is like the whole Brazilian viral mist that everybody was like talking about, and it was all over TikTok. And so this one and the yellow one are my favorite scents. So this is like my to-go that I like to keep in my beach bag. I also, of course, have my keys. This is a must. I won't go far without my keys. And then you need a good summer hydration tint. And I'm going to go with this Summer Friday. I don't know the name of this tint, and I don't think it has the name on here. But Summer Fridays in this shade is perfect. It gives you like the perfect light pink shade that you need. It keeps your lips hydrated, which is a must for me. And so this is like my to-go-to right now, current obsession. My next tint or lip protector is going to be my Burt's Bees. This is also in a tint, and it's called the Daisy shade. I got this one from Target. I love to keep my face and my lips tinted. For makeup, I like to go really light, maybe just some blush on my cheeks, a bronzy eyeshadow, and then my waterproof mascara. Other than that, honestly, that's all I wear when I'm at the beach or at the pool. I don't like to load it up with makeup just because I'm going to be in the heat and I'm going to be wearing sunscreen. I don't want my makeup to be melting down. So that is not a clean look for me. So this is my to-go sunscreen, which I prefer and I love. Again, it's from Target. And then a must-have for me is hand lotion. I love keeping my hands and my body hydrated. And just, you know, this one here is a scented one. My husband gifted to me with some perfume that he gave me for my birthday. So this is a must-have for me. I always like to keep a hand cream or hand lotion in my baggie. And of course, my perfume that came with my little mirror. I love this one. It is so cute. It's tiny. It has the perfect size for me to kind of touch up and to look over my face when I need to. So this is my to-go mirror. Guys, but do you see how much fits in here? This bag is like really small, but it fits everything that you need and everything that I want. So this is what I carry with me, and it's ready for a next beach trip. So I've got it here ready to go, and I just absolutely love it. This has been my to-go summer bag so far, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't done so yet. I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah.